Hi guys, and welcome back to Candisha Creations. I've put together this quick tutorial to show you guys how to create these rose quartz marbled nails with bits of gold leaf on them. Okay, that was a lot to say in one go. So I did prep these nails before I started filming, and what I did is I shaped them. I wanted them to be really pointy, and they don't come pointy. They're a little bit round at the end. I buffed the surface of the nails to get rid of any shine because the gel will not stick well to a shiny surface. I started off by using a thin layer of gel base coat. I don't think you really need to use a base coat, but I do anyway, just because I've got it and why not? I cured that for 1 minute, and then I used this Rose chiffon gel polish, which is like it's kind of like a jelly polish. It's slightly transparent. You can use any gel polish that is semi-transparent or translucent, or you can create your own yourself by mixing a colored gel polish of your liking with either base coat or top coat until it becomes a little bit see-through. Then what I did is I mixed a white gel polish with a drop of gel base coat. While the pink nail polish is still wet, I'm using a fine liner brush to run some lines through it. Once I've done that, I'm just gonna cure the nails, and then I'm gonna add another layer of that jelly pink polish on top. Because it's a jelly polish, you'll still be able to slightly see the white lines underneath, so it will just add that dimension that you see in quartz and marble designs. I'm just gonna do exactly the same thing again, using the white gel and base coat mixture to run some lines through the wet rose polish. And then I'm gonna cure that. I wouldn't recommend this brand that I'm using because when I used it on my nails when I first got it, I could just peel it off. Now, to be fair, I didn't really know how to use gel polish them times, so maybe it was just me and my poor application, but yeah, just go get a different one. I don't want no one coming to me and saying, oh, I got that gel polish that you said to get and it doesn't work, it just peels off. I will not be taking any responsibility for that. Then I'm adding another layer of that pink gel polish and pretty much just doing the same thing again and putting lines in different places wherever I feel like they should be. And then after I've done that, I'm gonna just cure it and then do exactly the same thing again. This is now going to be my final coat. So I'm just going to do another thin layer. And as you can see, you can still slightly see the white lines that were underneath, but they're not too bold. Now for this final layer, I'm going to dilute the white gel polish just a little bit more to make the white a bit softer, because I don't want that white to be too bold since it is going to be the final colored coat. And I'm just going to use that to add little highlights to the lines that I've already done and just add a little bit more white where I feel like I want it to be. And then while that's still wet, I'm just going to break up a little bit of this gold leaf because I want the bits to be really small. I don't want massive bits of gold on top of the nails. I'm just going to press them right into that wet gel polish. Once I'm happy with my gold leaf placement, I'm then going to use my tweezers just to press that gold leaf right into the gel polish to flatten it out. And then I'm going to cure that. Now at this point, you can literally just top coat this, cure it, and you're good to go. If you wanted, you could add 2 layers of top coat just to make it a little bit more shiny. Here you can see the nails with just a top coat added on top of them, and they look banging like this already. So me, I like to be a little bit extra sometimes, so I decided to go on top of the design that I created with Builder Gel, because I just wanted to add a little bit of that dimension that you get when you encapsulate a design. And it's also added a little bit of strength, because I don't feel like these particular press-ons that I'm using right here are as strong as the ones I normally use. Normally I can get away with just using gel polish, but with these ones, I do feel like they need a layer of Builder Gel. Normally you'd use Builder Gel underneath. I did check to see if you're allowed to use Builder Gel on top of gel polish or not, but I didn't see anywhere that says you can or that you can't, so I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. They are both gel. Gel likes to stick to gel, so I don't think there would be a problem. When it comes to creating press-ons, you have to assess how strong the press-ons you're actually using are, so you know whether you need to use Builder Gel on them or if you can just get away with using gel polish. I am selling these in my Etsy shop, so if you'd rather just buy a set than make one yourself, then the link will be in my description box. So this is the finished product. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching this tutorial. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.